Leaf Flash Baseball Hobby Box. Best of luck. Here we go. Out of what? That's crazy. There you go. Empty. Empty. Get this open. Hold on. My nails aren't long enough for this anymore. There we go. Empty. All right, here we go. Up first, we've got a Frank Monticato auto. Nice one there. That one is not numbered. Up next, a flash forward auto of Carson Williams. Nice one there for the Rays. Carson Williams. That is 69 of 99. And we've got a printing plate, 1 of 1 of Colson Montgomery. Colson Montgomery, 1 of 1 printing plate auto. There you go, Tyler. Congrats on that. Nice 1 of 1. Then we've got speckle of Jordani Ventura. Jordani Ventura. That's out of 50. 34 out of 50. A Wilman Diaz. 10 of 99. Mr. Diaz. Got flash forward of Khalil Watson. That's the last auto there. Khalil Watson. All right, there you go, Tyler. Congrats on those hits in the 1 of 1 printing plate. Very nice. Thanks so much for your order. We'll be getting this right out to you.